that he will join.
Mabuza uqale waphefumula ngeluthaba lwabomasipala. Lokhu ke kulandzela ukuthi ekuqaleni kwalenyanga lesikuyo bekunelukhetfo lwabohulumende basemakhaya.
Let me start by expressing our sincere gratitude to the millions of our people that voted in the recently held local government elections. Municipalities are there to ensure that people's quality of life and living conditions are of the desired standard that safeguards and guarantees human dignity.
Uthi bomasipala labanyenti basatsinga kulekelelwa khona batawusita sive ngalokwanele.
The Department of Cooperative Governance has identified through the 2021 State of Local Government Report 64 municipalities as dysfunctional and needing urgent support.
Mabuza uphawule nangekucwasana ngelibala.
Racism, it's a cancer that must be destroyed because it divides and undermines our democratic project.
Mayelana nelutsaba lwe-Eskom nemphatsi lomkhulu Andre Deret Mabuza ubeke wathi,
in the person of the CEO, you have got a very good manager there. But remember, you have brought this manager into something that is ailing, something that is unstable, something that is collapsing.
Lisekela lamengameli lithi lomphathi lomkhulu we-Eskom wenda ngako konke lokusemandleni kuthi lenkampani iqhubeke ngekuphakela gesi esiveni.